Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by finding the controls. Open the sheet with checkboxes and turn on the Developer tab if it's hidden. Once the Developer tab appears, make sure you can identify whether boxes are form controls or ActiveX. This matters for removal method. First actionable step. Switch to Design mode for ActiveX or click Select Objects for form controls. Pause to confirm control type visually. This saves time later and prevents accidental deletion of adjacent cells or formulas. Now remove the checkboxes using the right tool. For ActiveX controls, enter Developer Design mode, click each box and press Delete. For multiple boxes, hold Control while clicking. For form controls, use Home Find and select Selection pane or Select Objects, drag a selection box around controls and delete in one action. Once done, check nearby cells for linked formulas or cell links, and clear those links so you don't leave behind #ref or unexpected values. Finish by cleaning up any leftover links and saving your workbook. Right-click a Remove Checkboxes former spot or a remaining one, choose Format Control and clear the cell link to remove dependencies. If deleted boxes reappear, inspect the workbook's macros or workbook open code that may recreate controls. Disable macros temporarily and redelete. Make sure to save a backup before bulk deletions and use undo immediately if something goes wrong. If errors persist, reopen a fresh copy to verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.